There's a lot going on in the garden at the moment. Here are some easy tips to get you growing. Weeds can really spoil the look of your garden, and if you let them flower and set seed, they'll spread. To help win the war against weeds, you'll need a weed killer like Seasol EarthCare Organic Weedkiller. It's non-selective and controls grass and broadleaf weeds in gardens, paths, rockeries, driveways and around buildings and sheds. It works fast, is glyphosate-free, non-residual and biodegradable. If you want your tomatoes and veggies to be bigger, stronger and tastier, you really need to feed them regularly. It's as easy as mixing some PowerFeed PRO Series for tomatoes and veggies into a watering can every 1 or 2 weeks and apply it over the soil and around the plants. It's important to care for your lawn above and below the ground. Use a complete lawn health treatment like Seasol Lawn and Soil Booster to promote healthy green lawn growth and provide a rich source of seaweed and compost to nurture and improve the soil. For more advice, head to the Seasol website.